And the last one bot that you can set up in our application, that's the messenger bot. Once you have set up successfully Instagram bot, you will see the same credentials there on messenger bot, because we will use same page ID and same access token to this. If you use one business account, one page in Facebook for these messengers, it will be the same credentials, page ID and access token. You don't need to find it one more time, but if you start from messenger bot, I will show you how to get all this information and what is the difference between Instagram and Facebook. That's webhook. You need to configure one more. So like the same, we need to go to developers facebook.com. And there on you need to choose your application, to my apps. You need to choose which one you need. And the same left side menu, you find Messenger, open it and go to the settings. There you will find your page ID if you already add this page. If not, you need to add the remote pages from business account. When you press generate token and understand and copy it, press done. You need to paste it there if you start from Messenger bot. When you press there, you will copy your page ID and paste it there. It's the same. And difference, that's our webhook URL that you can configure there. You need to change it. I go there, copy this URL, paste it there, add some verify token, press verify and save. When our model window closes, that means that we successfully set up this callback URL. And also, you can set up these fields. When you press edit, it was opened. Also select all of this. And that's all from this side. So I find my Facebook page, shop one, and press message. And let's ask something. And we get our response about my question, what is loop code. Let's ask some specific information, something like this. And we see information from our Oven database that we upload on our application. So that's all that you need to connect your messenger bot on our application.